Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers cheap Verona local and long-distance movers near me. We offer plenty of options when you need a long-distance move, including packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. When you're ready to relocate, we have the right long-distance moving services for you. Our team will make sure you get a stress-free move. Let us show you how your relocation can be easier. When you hire a Kentucky moving company for your local move, you get a time-saving option. The best movers will make sure you don't have to do nearly as much hard work. They will help you move to your new location with ease. 3 Movers does all the heavy lifting for you. We know how to save you from injury and keep your things protected. When you move with us, you'll save plenty of time. Most local moves we can handle in a few hours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Verona moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.